Hello everybody and thanks for watching. This is Drawer of the Week, my weekly YouTube series where I select one drawer from the Rotterdam Natural History Museum that I find interesting and showcase it on YouTube with my commentary. I am the honorary conservator of this museum collection. And today I've selected this drawer. Now, the most interesting thing about this drawer is that all the moths that we are looking at are currently the same species. Unfortunately, I forgot the English name, but it's called the Parasemia plantaginis, which is a tiger moth that's locally very common in Europe. However, they are very dimorphic and show a great variety of color forms and variations. So their color depends on where they are collected, but also the population and their genetics. In fact, it's very complicated. Let's take a look. These were collected in Deutschland, also known as Germany. And they look a little bit reddish. Red abdomen, red wings. But when we start going lower, we will find these yellow hindwings ones. So let's take a look where they're collected. Also Germany, Deutschland. So that means both of these color forms are present in Germany. I have also bred them myself, although I forgot to upload my breeding on YouTube. In fact, behind the scenes I breed a lot of moths, even more than I upload on YouTube, can you believe it? Here we have the white form. It's also collected in Germany. So as you can see, this is clear evidence that one country can have populations that show multiple color forms, really. And I think the dimorphism of this species is amazing, how variable they are. Very rarely can you look at something like this and be able to say, look, this is all the same species. I like moths that show such a great variety. Now, geen vindplaatsaanduidingen means they have no locality or origins. So that means these specimens are basically useless because this is a scientific collection. And the most important thing is in a scientific collection is the data. So without any data, they are basically educational but useless specimens. Although it would be a waste to throw them away, so they are in here anyways. But this was just a nice short video showing the extreme variation within one single species, which is probably one of my favorite tiger moths from Europe, the Parasemia plantaginis. I've always wanted to see the red form, but every time I breed them I had this one, the white form, which is arguably the most boring one, although eventually I would like to breed them all someday. Thanks for watching, and until next week.